Now, let me teach you how to walk on height. You know what I say? So now walk on height. Try your best not look down ago. Yeah, I go down there no, cause you look where you walk. But don't focus too much down there. If you get to me I say. And you just take time walk. You that. Balance is a key thing. If you're too big, you are go nervous. So a good one to have nice weight, nice. You move more flexible. If you're too big, you go nervous, you go Freddy. And you take your time and walk. Just balance, don't shake if you're nervous. Don't go panic till your nerve system, all of your nerve system them dead. And you just walk, see? Naturally. 1 foot before the other one. Never walk back with you. When you walk on wall, don't walk back with you like so. Like you step back with you and go back. No. Always turn. So you're going to make one turn, you turn your body. Facing. See? And you walk. Don't walk in a rush. As in, say for instance, you want to reach out there so. But you want to reach out there quick because you're afraid. So you want to take fast. So you feel so by the time, by walking fast, you're good. No. You will drop, you will dead. You take your time, man. And as I said, don't focus on the ground too much. Yo! Eh? What that? Eh? And as I say, you know say down there, so it's down there, you know. You know say you can drop, but you're not focused down there. And over time, come like you're walking on the ground. Just like you're walking in the sky. It's like a plane in the air. A road up there. Yeah, you just walk freely. See that? Over time, man, gradually, that fear come out of you because you're not focused on the ground too much. Your vision no down there. Your eye down there, but I don't know if you put it clear if you don't understand. But yeah, easy man. That is it. How to walk on height.